it will connect or join together. Come here, Daddy's here.
There is always a Soyuz spacecraft docked with the ISS, so we can escape from the space station at any time. The Soyuz is like our lifeboat, in case of an emergency on board the ISS, such as a fire or depressurization. Those massive sails turn the sun's energy into electricity, which powers the space station. The ISS is solar powered.
See?
The great thing about the International Space Station is that it's not owned by a single country, but it's a collaboration of many countries across the world, including the UK. Let me show you what happens inside different parts of the space station. This is Node 1, also called Unity. It's our kitchen, and it's where we come to eat our meals at the end of the day. This module we call the lab, or Destiny. It's the US laboratory, and it's where we do a lot of scientific experiments, and there's also a cycling machine.
Okay. Yun, nasa likod niya. Na-plug.
How is it doing that?
Because there's no gravity.
This module is Columbus. It's the European laboratory, and it's where a lot of our European science is located, such as the electronic magnetic levitator. We also do a lot of our human physiology experiments there.
I think on the VR.
This module is Node 2, or Harmony. It's where our crew quarters are, so this is where 4 astronauts sleep on board the space station.
So this will not fly.
Node 3, or Tranquility. It's where a lot of our exercise equipment is stored, such as the T2 treadmill and the A-Red weightlifting machine. It's also where we have the loo and our life support equipment. Attached to Node 3 is one of the best places on the space station. It's called the cupola, a large earth-facing window where astronauts can come and take some beautiful photographs from sea and from space.
Football field? That's a football field.
The space station is the largest man-made object in space. It's as long as 13 London buses end to end, and it orbits the Earth at nearly 8 kilometers every second. That's about 17,000 miles per hour.
Wow.
I can still use a slide.
The space station is traveling very fast, so although gravity pulls us towards the Earth, as we fall towards it, we miss the ground and end up in orbit around the Earth. We're actually constantly falling around the Earth. Can you imagine what would happen if the space station slowed down? Gravity would pull us down towards the surface, and we wouldn't travel fast enough to miss the ground. In the same way, what if we went faster? Then we would be able to escape the pull of gravity and move into a higher and higher orbit, or even escape the Earth altogether. We understand how to keep the International Space Station in orbit due to the laws of gravity first described by Sir Isaac Newton over 300 years ago.
No, it's not.
This is why I chose Principia for my mission name, and this is my mission patch.
Oh.
It's not.
We orbit the Earth 16
Nighttime
times
here?
every day aboard the International Space Station.
It's
That means once round the planet every 90 minutes. So every 45 minutes, we're seeing either a sunrise or a sunset. Here we can see the side of the Earth that is lit up by the sun. As the Earth spins and the countries move into nighttime, astronauts can look down from the space station and see the many lights of all the cities below, and also lightning from thunderstorms around the planet. On the International Space Station, astronauts are only 250 miles away from the surface of the Earth. But if we want to send people to the moon again, that's a massive journey of nearly 240,000 miles.
Wow. Wow, Prince.
Wait,
Wow.
what is that? Oh, that's the moon.
Yeah. Gun. What's that? Golf ball? Prince? Yeah, it's a golf ball. What? Wow. Enough, Prince.
People
No.
have walked on the moon, but that's the furthest point that we have visited. Other parts of the solar system have only been explored with space probes and telescopes. Our work on the International Space Station is preparing us to make that next great step, a manned mission to Mars. There are many fascinating places to visit in our solar system. One day, I am certain that we will have explored them all. However, I'm sure that when we look back at planet Earth, it will always remain the most beautiful place in our solar system.
Pluto.
You know that?
Pluto is not a planet.
Pluto is all snow.
No, it's an old one.